Hey guys, look this way. Bella's lost. Bella's going in circles.
Throw it by the stick and see if...
I'll throw it by the duck.
Oh, there's the ducks.
Jenna's going for the ducks.
Jenna's going for the ducks. Oh, big...
And then she realizes that she's swimming and she can't do anything about it. Tread, buddy, tread. Come on, guys. They're motorheads.
Isn't that great?
Come on, guys. Swim. Swim.
Little duckies. They weren't even afraid of them. I mean, the ducks weren't afraid of the dogs.
Was that a good one?